This is AI Command App News for Friday, June 5th. I'm your host with the AI and tech stories moving markets today. Let's get into it. Our lead story, the AI boom is about to get its first real public market stress test. Anthropic took a major step this week toward beating its rival OpenAI to a public listing. According to CNBC, the move sets up the first big test of whether the sky-high valuations across the AI sector can survive contact with public investors. And here's the twist Wired highlighted. The same venture firms are backing both Anthropic and OpenAI. As one investor put it, why wouldn't you want to be in both Pepsi and Coke? For business leaders, the signal is this. The era of effectively unlimited private AI capital is maturing into a public market that will demand actual numbers. Watch this IPO. It will set the price of AI for everyone. Story 2, and it's the one that moved every desk on Wall Street this morning. The May jobs report came in hot. Non-farm payrolls rose by 172,000, more than double the 80,000 economists expected. Unemployment held at 4.3%. Sounds like good news, and for workers it is. But Treasury yields jumped immediately, and Investors Business Daily reports the strong print could seal a hawkish pivot from the Federal Reserve when it meets June 17th, potentially dropping its bias toward rate cuts. S&P 500 futures slipped on the news. The takeaway for your business, cheaper money may be further away than the market hoped. If your 2026 plan assumed falling rates, revisit it now. Story 3. The cost of the AI arms race is getting staggering. Alphabet is now seeking fresh capital from investors to fund its build-out, with capital expenditures expected to reach up to $190 billion this year. That's roughly double last year's spending. CNBC notes the raise comes during a 4-week losing streak for the stock, testing investor appetite. The lesson for everyone watching: the hyperscalers are spending like nations to own AI infrastructure, which raises a question every company should ask. How much of your own budget is quietly flowing to rent that same infrastructure? Story 4 is a wake-up call on AI security. On June 5th, 404 Media reported, an MIT Technology Review amplified, that attackers used Meta's own AI customer support agent to steal Instagram accounts. The method was almost embarrassingly simple. They asked the agent to link target accounts to email addresses they controlled, and the agent complied. As companies rush to deploy AI agents with real account access, this is the new attack surface. Every capable agent you connect is a new door. If you're deploying AI this year, security can't be an afterthought. It has to be the foundation. And Story 5, a sign of where corporate priorities are heading. Business Insider reports data company Teradata told staff there would be no raises this year. The budget is going to AI instead. Meanwhile, Senator Elizabeth Warren has invited Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang to a Senate hearing over chip sales to China as Washington tightens its grip on the AI supply chain. Put those together and you see the squeeze. Companies are reallocating human compensation toward AI spend, while governments move to control who gets the chips. For workers and investors alike, AI is no longer a line item. It's the whole budget conversation. That's your AI news for today from AI Command App. The through line across all 5 stories, from Anthropic's IPO to Alphabet's $190 billion build-out to Meta's agent breach, is that AI is now core infrastructure. And infrastructure is about control. Who owns it, who secures it, who pays for it. We'll be watching it all again tomorrow. Until then, stay informed and stay in command.
Peace.